ChitChat English.
Sit down.
Take a seat.
Sit down.
Take a seat.
Listen.
Hear me out.
Listen.
Hear me out.
Wait.
Hang on.
Wait.
Hang on.
Quiet.
Lower your voice.
Quiet.
Lower your voice.
Hurry up.
Speed up.
Hurry up.
Speed up.
Stop it.
Cut it out.
Stop it.
Cut it out.
Give it.
Hand it over.
Give it.
Hand it over.
Come here.
Join me.
Come here.
Join me.
Don't do that.
Could you avoid that?
Don't do that.
Could you avoid that?
Shut up.
Can we keep it quiet?
Shut up.
Can we keep it quiet?
Go away.
Could you leave, please?
Go away.
Could you leave, please?
Be serious.
Can we focus on this?
Be serious.
Can we focus on this?
Listen to me.
May I have your attention?
Listen to me.
May I have your attention?
Do it now.
Could you handle it now?
Do it now.
Could you handle it now?
Don't be lazy.
Let's try harder.
Don't be lazy.
Let's try harder.
You're wrong.
I think you might be mistaken.
You're wrong.
I think you might be mistaken.
Tell me.
Could you let me know?
Tell me.
Could you let me know?
Be quiet.
Could we lower the noise?
Be quiet.
Could we lower the noise?
Answer me.
Could you reply, please?
Answer me.
Could you reply, please?
Stop complaining.
Let's stay positive.
Stop complaining.
Let's stay positive.
Stop it.
Could you pause that?
Stop it.
Could you pause that?
You're late.
Could we start on time?
You're late.
Could we start on time?
Clean up.
Could you tidy this up?
Clean up.
Could you tidy this up?
I don't care.
It's not a concern for me.
I don't care.
It's not a concern for me.
Do your work.
Please focus on your tasks.
Do your work.
Please focus on your tasks.
Be quiet.
Let's keep it peaceful.
Be quiet.
Let's keep it peaceful.
Don't forget.
Please remember.
Don't forget.
Please remember.
Don't interrupt.
Could you wait your turn?
Don't interrupt.
Could you wait your turn?
What's wrong with you?
Are you feeling okay?
What's wrong with you?
Are you feeling okay?
Don't bother me.
Could we discuss this later?
Don't bother me.
Could we discuss this later?
Speak louder.
Could you speak up, please?
Speak louder.
Could you speak up, please?
Calm down.
Take a deep breath.
Calm down.
Take a deep breath.
Don't touch that.
Could you leave that be?
Don't touch that.
Could you leave that be?
Fix it.
Could you repair this?
Fix it.
Could you repair this?
Stop arguing.
Let's find a solution.
Stop arguing.
Let's find a solution.
Move faster.
Could you speed up a bit?
Move faster.
Could you speed up a bit?
You're not helping.
Could you contribute more?
You're not helping.
Could you contribute more?
Be responsible.
Let's act responsibly.
Be responsible.
Let's act responsibly.
Pay attention.
Could I have your focus?
Pay attention.
Could I have your focus?
Don't be rude.
Let's stay polite.
Don't be rude.
Let's stay polite.
Stop shouting.
Could you lower your voice?
Stop shouting.
Could you lower your voice?
Don't ignore me.
Can we address this?
Don't ignore me.
Can we address this?
That's enough.
Let's pause here.
That's enough.
Let's pause here.
Be punctual.
Let's be on time.
Be punctual.
Let's be on time.
Go now.
Could you leave now?
Go now.
Could you leave now?
Stay here.
Could you remain here?
Stay here.
Could you remain here?
That's useless.
It doesn't seem helpful.
That's useless.
It doesn't seem helpful.
You're wasting time.
Let's use our time wisely.
You're wasting time.
Let's use our time wisely.
Don't lie.
Let's be honest.
Don't lie.
Let's be honest.
Stop laughing.
Let's be serious.
Stop laughing.
Let's be serious.
You're too slow.
Let's move faster.
You're too slow.
Let's move faster.
That's not yours.
Could you return that?
That's not yours.
Could you return that?
Be polite.
Let's use kind words.
Be polite.
Let's use kind words.
That's wrong.
Let's revise this.
That's wrong.
Let's revise this.
Don't bother him.
Let's give him some peace.
Don't bother him.
Let's give him some peace.
Don't cheat.
Let's be fair.
Don't cheat.
Let's be fair.
Do it.
Could you do it, please?
Do it.
Could you do it, please?
Stand up.
Would you mind standing?
Stand up.
Would you mind standing?
Don't blame others.
Let's focus on solving the problem.
Don't blame others.
Let's focus on solving the problem.